Hi you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince and I'm going to be showing you guys how I remove my tape-ins. If you watched my last video, you're probably like, why are you removing them so soon? But I'll explain to you guys later in a different video. I still love my hair. I actually watched it and it's better to me, so I'll explain that to you in the next video, but I'm going to show you how to take these tape-ins out the easiest and safest way that I found for me, and it is damage free, and you're going to be using household products. So if you want to find out how I did that, go ahead and watch this video. Okay, so here's what you're going to need. I just have some 91% isopropyl alcohol and an oil of your choice. I used olive oil, and so I'm going to make like a 90-10% ratio, 80-20% ratio between alcohol and oil. Now I'm using this little dropper bottle because I found that made the application easy for me to place the alcohol solution on my tape-ins without spraying it and having stuff everywhere. If you need bottles like this, I did find some similar on Amazon and it will be linked in the description box. Okay, so here are my tape ends, and the first thing that I like to do to keep this little situation safe is I like to put oil around the tape. Now this may be unnecessary to some people, but I feel using a straight 91% alcohol on your hair probably can be a little bit harsh. So this is what I did. Feel free to move how you want to. I'm just sharing with you what I did. So I am going to saturate my scalp with oil, and that did help with me because I have dandruff, and alcohol hitting your scalp while you're scratching, it burns, okay? So that's what I did first. I saturated the hair with oil. I tried to open up the tape a little. Well, this tape was actually open, and I put oil on top of that, and you'll understand in my next video why my tape was open. So next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the solution and drop it directly on the tape, okay? Now, I like to work the solution in and just rub it on there, and you're going to be surprised how easily that dissolves. But I like to work between two tapes, so I'll put some solution on one tape, put some solution on the next tape, and then go back to the first tape to see if it's ready to be removed, which it kind of removes it instantly. So this tape was completely sandwiched together, so I tried to go ahead and just spread it open, find an open spot, and place some alcohol inside the tape or at the seam of the tape within the hair. So that's what you see me doing here. So once I place that alcohol inside of the little open spot or inside the seam of the tapes, I use my finger to gently massage the alcohol, gently. You do not want to tug on this. There should not be any resistance if you're applying enough of the alcohol and oil solution onto the tape. You literally just rub it and it will slide off. Do not, I repeat, do not pull your hair, okay? It will slide off. The solution will pull it off and none of your hair will come out. Trust me, this worked for me. These worked for these particular tape ends, which are the Suya tape ends from Amazon in my last video. And I literally was shocked at how easy it was to remove them. If you feel like the hair is stuck on there, add more solution. Do not pull. You do not want to rip your hair out. That's how easy these things came out. And I feel like with the small dropper bottle, it made it even more easy to target the area that I wanted to target. So instead of you spraying it and it going everywhere, use the dropper bottle and place the solution directly on the tape and it comes out. Now, if you wait too long, the alcohol will dry and it will not come off as easily. Oil for me did not remove these tape ends. I had to use alcohol, and trust me, just literally put some on there and rub it with your fingers so gently and it slides off. No hair coming out, guys. Okay, that is what I did. So I hope this video helps you. This worked for me with the Suya tape ends that I used in my last video. Hopefully it can help somebody else, but this was the easiest and safest removal for me. One thing that I do want to note, your tape pens will be oily, so when you get done, use a clarifying shampoo to get the oil out of your tapes, and you will be just fine, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys later. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and I will talk to y'all later. Okay, bye.